got, and you don't need to got me too.
Then we call out for this today. Say time go wrong today. Say today go fast. Well, say then the still go be for today. So people just the check times, okay? Because now when we enter studio now already after 11 already.
I hear when Becca and Legbe they talk about the boxer issue. Now dirty man. Now they wear boxer more than one day.
Even wait, Baba, both the brief and the normal one.
What that brief normal one?
Legbe know they agree with you.
Legbe they shame for you. So they wear boxer more than one day. If not be brief, if not be that brief tight one.
I know even they wear the brief tight one.
And the normal one they wear more than one day. How you go wear boxer more than one day? I
don't talk.
I don't know somebody where don't talk. Say somebody who I respect where we be veteran broadcaster, especially sportscaster, where they watch for TV and listen to radio in those days before me I even enter this industry. You don't say in the wearing boxer if you reach out go pull and keep wear them the next day. I don't understand how normally the body they clean itself. So when you bath in the morning you wear boxer and all that and they go out. The skin that is why you find out say if the one abroad if they want catch somebody commit crime only your clothes there they don't collect DNA inside. Because the skin they shed some scales, some cells and all that. Moreover, Nigeria, the weather the country no clean, the air no clean, heat there everywhere, dirty dust. I don't dare Dubai. They say sun they shine, but you know they sweat, and if you sweat, the sweat no they dirty like Nigeria. The atmosphere everywhere for this country dirty. In Nigeria, no fit afford to wear. How man go wear boxer more than me personally? I wake up in the morning, I bath, wear new boxer, new singlet. The moment I reach house, next in a bathroom, as I bath that boxer and singlet where I wear come out. As I pull and go bath, now inside the hamper where they put dirty clothes they go. As I come out from bathroom, now another singlet and another boxer they wear new one. That one why I wear after I don't bath, around kind of 5-6 in the evening. Now I go to sleep till morning. When I wake up in the morning bath, that singlet and boxer where I take sleep. Don't go dirty clothes. I wear another singlet and boxer to go out. If I come back the same thing. The only time when I know they change like that now, if I day house, I no go anywhere, I no go work. Maybe in a weekend, I no quick wake up. So the previous night I don't sleep with boxer and singlet, right? I lazy around till 12, 1, 2, I never bath. But the moment I bath that day, whether in the afternoon, no, I must change that boxer and singlet. So man to wear boxer, go out, come back, come pull and keep. Come day naked, come sleep. The next day, come go wear them again. This is not dirty man be that. For me, how much be boxer? Where man supposed to get uncountable boxer. For me, for my house, I still get boxers who I know they use. New ones. Singlet one never open. One day, Legbe if they stranded to mainland. Mr. Godwin, you there? Have you sleep for your house? And you know plan them. When you come, I get towel where I never open. New one. I get soap, toothbrush where I never use. Legbe take new toothbrush. Take soap. Legbe take boxer. Take singlet. He go play say you dey hotel. He go play say you dey hotel. You understand? I get something new I will give you. Personal effect like boxer, singlet, toothbrush.
So well.
Ask Bode Bruno, our former colleague. Bode Bruno one day. He can't do something for me. Like he can't say I got you there. I say me can't sleep for my house. But they shock when I fold everything, give a new towel, singlet. He say, Baba, you know how they can say no, na so they prepare am. Give a new roll on. Of course, I'll give you my own normal body spray. What they use, not the new one. You roll on, you go carry and go.
But not be everybody get money like.
Not be by money. Now by personal hygiene, keeping a good hygiene. Not be money.
What's in your mind?
Nine man go there wear one.
Of course not.
Nine man go there wear boxer 2 days, 3 days.
No, I know 3 days. I know plan for 3 days.
Now the other go say I know I know they smell. Whether you smell, you know the personal hygiene is very important.
But no say me say they wear new boxers or if you didn't say you dey hygiene, say you clean.
No, that part of the cleanliness be that. If like person go say well because I know they brush my mouth every day, but I dey clean.
No.
That one undisputable. Like see, even few hours, if you day on, if you do hard like this, you go hear something. So no now.
Normal personal hygiene. Me, I no feel they comfortable. Say box I wear in the morning, now see wear in the evening. Till the next day, I no feel they comfortable.
You know, Legbe, I go flog you because it get this particular the way we get retreat, and a man can't they talk about personal hygiene. And he talk now this Nama we don't they married for over 20 years. All the children don't go. Know all the children when they this small. And he talk this thing. You like when you talk about wearing boxer for how many days?
Yes, now so I talk say sometimes say because say you they wear new boxers no means say you no get body, no means say you understand.
So waiting in me.
Make I ask you one question, Legbe. How many times did they in the bath?
3 times.
Why?
To come out sweat.
So but the cloth where they on top that body where you wash no dirty, but your body dirty. It makes sense to you. No, the body where you carry go out, come back. You bath in the morning, right? Mm-hmm. Before you sleep, you bath. Let's just say 2 times. Mm-hmm. You bath in the night to wash the body. Mm-hmm. But the cloth where they on top that body, the inner, not even this shirt or trouser. If that they say you won't keep your jeans, you know, go wash your jeans or your shirt every time. A different thing. The singlet and the boxer where touch your body mainly. You know wash them. If you still use them the next day, but that same body, you know if you use them like that the next day, you wash the body, but you bring the cloth where they on top the body the same day. You know, makes sense.
It makes sense.
You understand? So using the same boxer for 2-3 days, as well as saying no need to bath for until bath for every 2 or 3 days.
No.
Well, you don't get visitors. We won't come visit you.
Me?
Yes.
What did they talk?
Now you say when you get visitor, they give them new towel, new
yes, now.
So Mr. PAC, he said, he said, share you day house this evening.
I don't know you. I know they allow visitors call like that. I know who you be. I know that you be kidnapper. You understand? So I like Becca talk say that because I get, but not be the issue of money. No, be no need to there. You get some boxers say with they very expensive. You get some with that 500, 1,000. The most important thing now, once you don't get the hygiene, you don't need to buy the most expensive singlets. Now just the neatness.
We women they even give them boxers. I thought say I know they want.
And they take. I hear when Legbe they say you know they collect boxer. And they collect boxer and singlet. And they collect the handkerchief everything.
So you don't give Baba that boxer before?
No, she never give me before. She never try him.
I never try him.
The way you talk.
She never like say if I try him,
I never give you any personal effect before. Boxer and singlet. Legit don't even think can go there.
No.
You mean anything?
No, some people feel say it means something. No, say I want something. I want something intimacy with you.
Say I buy you boxers. I buy you.
If he pass the wrong message now.
Some people say I climb, but Lady J no fit give me boxer and singlets. If people like go they buy bra for Lady J.
But you know me no.
You mean no? I beg you.
For this part of the country.
For this, no, you mean no. You mean.
So you want come give me bra? The one where you say you know me you.
Becca for buy for no collect.
If Legbe won't buy for Becca like that bra, but if I want buy for Lady J, it could be brazier.
Which one? What me the difference?
Brazier different from bra.
What me the difference?
Brazier are for elderly people. Bra for young girls.
I don't understand.
No, Lady
what do you mean by elderly people?
Lady J is sweet 16.
What do you mean by elderly people?
No.
Hey, I beg you don't spoil my steez.
Baby girl for life.
You don't spoil my steez. I beg you.
Lady J is baby girl for life. All right, you find trouble, you will see it.
You know me.
So Lady J
I beg.
No, she dey wear BRA.
Now it's hook.
Which one don't get hook?
Which one? Hey, wait. You get the one where you manufacture, we don't get hook. Let us know.
The last one where you remove from the girl back, you know, get hook.
Now button be there, they want plastic button like this, but fancy button.
No, that
Legbe shows Legbe no.
Now sports bra, no be main bra.
Bra see there now.
Legbe who should be? Wait, come on, the sport bra for him back.
No be Adike.
Another one don't dey. We do one more time.
Legbe shows Legbe no. Don't worry, your part leader go here. He go here. Your part leader go here. Of your escapades.
You know me now. I go measure her now, and the bra she wear no fit. I mean the cloth I want make for her. You understand? Now padded supposed be, but you know say if
so now you come and remove the bra because you want collect measurement.
Now yeah, buy me two, and then she go in now and go come out and finish now. I no finish there now.
I don't know. So the time you
Legbe na fashion designer. So he say one of the customers go come say na the customer say the clothes no stand well for the body. The customer come say make help and remove bra. So the lady come go remove the bra.
You put her inside her cloth or she full her cloth, remain only the bra.
Go nah.
I don't understand. Why can't she lose the thing for herself?
No, but do one.
Na lie. Irolopa. Efia. Na lie. Career. You see what different languages where I speak. Na lie. Efia
A woman no feel remove her bra by herself.
No. I didn't remove by myself now.
Why not?
What if
You know,
hand
say
dey pain her?
Which hand they pain her? Now when she reach the shop, the hand can't they pain
Not
her.
the shop, but now
For her house. For her house.
What if hand can't dey pain her?
For me now.
But and they pay now.
I know they pain her now.
No, but so when she say me help her remove the bra, she can't.
Hey, now she just
remove her.
we just
Then
release
you
we
can't
release
go-
zip small.
Then she can't go inside go change.
Now we release zip
Go remove the
zip
remaining
small.
one. So when she won't come wear am back, that you help her put her.
I know they wear am back for her. No, now because no say if I dey measure if I come measure you na some big cloth for you, I go ask you say na this kind bra I go wear if you wan wear the cloth.
Say no.
If you can't say no, so that day I mean I dey aside okay I can't ask her that same question now. Now this bra I go wear if I can't deliver. She said no. Oh yeah, go comot am. Okay, she can't comot zip.
Time is full lẹ́yìn. Wo àǹtí yẹn wá nǹkan wọ́n bá nǹkan bò. Na lie. Hold on. Buy me 2K. Legbe, your hands supposed to shake by now. You for help and wear am back. Una good one yo. Godwin, you are too much. Seriously, one boxer per day is the best, but many people hate it. Imagine some guys of nowadays get body past ladies far. I experienced something strange at work yesterday. Oh yeah, now waiting be the thing where you experience. I talk am say now only Sunday Legbe be pastor. I say the other days of the week, you're worldly shy, but on Sundays you are a pastor.
But now national profession now. I mean your work now.
Which kind of work? I don't dey go man don sew cloth for me before, but you no tell me say I no gonna make help me off my bra for back. Help me.
Like I talk, that one no
Except
get
hand
hook.
dey pain the
That one
person.
no even get hook. Now button. So I know say.
How she take wear am?
I don't know.
So why can't she off it?
Something's fishing going on. I go leave her my dad.
Women go pull the bra come front, come use the hand. Come out
All
by
this one wey you dey talk na story. Woman yẹn wan bank up. Woman yẹn make I no speak am like Yoruba. Woman yẹn wan bank up. That is how Baba Gole go talk. I no be woman yẹn wan bank up. All right, e get one man wey dem don sen ten ce to 21 years in jail.
Wetin you do?
This thing wey you do, I feel say 21 years in jail is too small.
Wetin you do?
He's supposed to be castrated.
Wetin you do?
He rape a 3-month-old baby
Oh my God.
For which country?
for inside Nasarawa.
Woo.
Justice Aisha Bashir Aliyu of the Nasarawa State High Court sentenced the man at 27-year-old Amadu Yaro. They say he raped one 3-month-old baby. So they can't give him 21 years imprisonment. And they say after the series of they say the baby now rush and go hospital. So after a series of examination for the hospital, they can't realize say the victim case they beyond the facility. The hospital can't refer the baby. They refer mama to the Jos University Teaching Hospital Plateau. So make they go carry her there for medical attention. So the convict Amadu Yaro of Adogu Village for Lapia local government area, they say now for May they been done arena, but now the judge now come. Now the judge don't sentence him. So they say in case they drag him since 2020.
What's in the drag?
I don't know why they drag the
Drag
case.
this kind. Why they drag this
They
kind
said
case?
they drag this case for good 5 years. So now after the dragging, now this judge can sentence him after 5 years.
After
to
5 years,
21 years imprisonment with hard labor, and he states the sentence could serve as justice for the victim and a deterrence to other people. But 3-month-old baby. That's why I say 21-year-old is too small.
Waiting day for 3 months.
3 months old
Wetin
baby.
attract you for the pikin
For
body?
3-month-old baby.
For a baby, innocent child.
Now the aspect where they appreciate Oyibo prison, this one American prison. You know that kind of guy now they call let the guys know say this guy raped 3-year-old pikin. That guy will last 1 week. That guy will last 1 week for that prison. Because you know, say criminals for America, for all these foreign criminals, they get code, get some things where you know they do. Say you rape girl or you rape pikin, you can't come prison. Those people they beg police, make police no let people know say that the crime when they commit because they go gang rape you for inside. They go do the same thing. So that if you come say you be bank robber, you sell drug, you be big guy. Anything make you be hard guy. Now woman body you they show yourself. Then people decide prison, the torment go too much. Come be saying as small pikin. That guy no last. They will kill him for prison. If not foreign prison, you understand. So like you talk, I don't know why they give him 21 years imprisonment. That kind of person in life imprisonment or death sentence.
Immediately.
Death sentence because I don't know what
he not deserve to. He not deserve to live
for 3 years.
3 months.
3 months old pikin.
Why? Why?
So that
did they even become dragon for 5 years again? What be the need for the dragon?
The guy no normal.
Nah.
No normal.
The process when take thing calm safe. The
Naija
how we take get access to the pikin?
No, people they get access to children. Some parents could just if you be say the mama trust her with the pikin, let me hold this pikin, I won't buy something. Yeah, if it happen, then go tell neighbor, if you let me carry the pikin, if you let me hold this pikin, I won't buy
that
this.
One no fit blame the parents for kind
that
thing.
So and the parents if you don't know say that kind of person be, you understand?
At least you no go talk say this baby open cleavage, right?
Mm-hmm.
No be say the baby wear body con, you dey see the shape or anything.
You know,
this one a baby.
3 months old.
I can just imagine if when this baby grow, which kind trauma. I just say even for adults where they rape self, even as an adult, the trauma it they make some women mad. Let alone of a baby.
What did she do?
Now this heart this is demonic.
Heart of man, the heart of man is very wicked.
It's demonic. Don't be normal human being.
Normal
human being no dey behave like that.
Waiting.
Don't go behave like
because
that.
Because to even think I'm alone a process. To come act alone.
Now waiting they go call for. Now we they go call for law premeditated. He don't think he don't plan them already.
But before we go, now know about this Scott Guma. Because
yes, that one they carry go court.
They based on top defamatory.
I said they don't give him bail.
Yeah.
But I want gist about the Scott. One property man says Scott they work for that company before. Say they get disagreement we make and come out. So now because of the disagreement we get with that company, according to what that man tell me, say now make Scott come begin the do real estate talk on social media where they criticize real estate companies, come they fight for people. So now personal beef already there between Scott and the company. So what Scott come to talk about other companies, they will come reach out to them, they will contact them to settle their issues and all that. But this man the man feels say now personal issue where they don't get before we make them sack Scott. I make can go the talk. That's how the man can't take to this level. So now that's another information from somebody we get real estate company. I don't know how true that won't be. You understand? So but they don't carry and go call, they don't give them bail and so now the matter be that.
Oh yeah now time done for us to pack our load. I'll come out from inside the studio.
Let the money come, money flow.
Na dirty man na dey wear boxer more than one day.
Even
I don't
wait,
care
Baba,
whether they house,
both
whether you
the brief and the normal one.
What that brief normal one.
Legbe know they agree with you.
Legbe I dey shame for you. So you dey wear boxer more than one day. If no be brief, if no be that brief tight one.
I know even they wear the brief tight one.
The atmosphere everywhere for this country dirty. In Nigeria, no fit afford to wear. How man go wear boxer more than one? Me personally, I wake up in the morning, I bath, wear new boxer, new singlet. The moment I reach house, next thing na bathroom. As I bath, that boxer and singlet where I wear comot. As I pull and go bath, now inside the hamper where they put dirty clothes, they go. As I come out from bathroom, now another singlet, another boxer, they wear new one. So man to wear boxer, go out, come back, come pull and keep. Come dey naked, come sleep. The next day, come go wear them again. This is not dirty.